Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. This video is a continuation of our weekend outing video. If you have not watched that video, please to check out the link in my description box. I've given the link there, you can watch it. So after a visit to the beach, we went to Dubai Fish Market, which is located in Deira, and let me show you a glance of this market and all the facilities available there. Do watch in full. The name of this market is Waterfront Market, and we have entered inside and you can see the interior of it is nothing less than a mall. So here's a glimpse of the fish market. You can see the various stalls. So here we enter the fish market. You can see the different varieties of fish, prawns, lobsters, crab and many other varieties. Prawns are my favorite, and every time we come here we ensure that we buy prawns. Also you get fish here at a very affordable rate compared to supermarkets. This is kingfish. Here are some more varieties of fish. We got some prawns. Here you get to see different varieties of prawns. I'm not sure of the name of this fish. Here you can see another type of prawns, lobsters. This fish also I'm not sure about the name. This is octopus, pomfret, and crabs, and so many varieties. You can see how fresh this fish looks. If you want to buy fish in bulk and at a very good price, then this is the place you must visit. There are also restaurants in this fish market, so you can buy fish from here and they would fry it for you at a reasonable cost, so you can enjoy the fish here itself. This is lobster. This is a big variety of squid. Here you can see a bigger variety of lobster. Here are a few varieties of crabs. The name of this fish is abus, and this fish they say is safi. This bluish fish you can see is called parrotfish. So once you're done with purchasing the fish, they have a counter where they clean fish, and this is that counter. So you can see there are CCTV cameras also, so you can monitor how they are cutting and cleaning the fish. Waterfront Market is not only about fish. You get to buy many other things here, like you get to buy meat like beef, chicken, mutton. You can buy meat here at a very good price comparatively. We're done buying with meat, and now we have reached the outside of it. You can see there's a Al Ansari exchange there. You can see many shops nearby, cloth stores, and here is an accessory shop. Here you can see a toy shop. There's an ice cream shop there. Here there's a play area for kids. You can buy popcorn here. you have sandals, clothes, these cute sandals for kids. Here you can see this cute collection of shoes, hats, purses, bags, headbands, hair accessories. So overall you get everything under one roof. You can also buy perfumes here. There's also a fruits and vegetables section here, and we are heading towards it. So you can see the different types of fruits, vegetables. So you come here, you can buy a variety of things. You can see the fresh fruits, different types of vegetables. One thing we always do when we come here is having this tender coconut water, which is our favorite. There's also a section here where they sell plants, so you can choose from them. Also to mention, there's a Lulu supermarket inside this fish market. So here we are buying some fruits. Now we stopped here to have tender coconut water. The best part is having this coconut cream. You can also buy dry fish here. You can see the different varieties of dry fish here, like dry prawns. Apart from dry fish, you also get dry fruits here like dates. I couldn't take a clip of it, but yes, you do get dry fruits here. You also get these cooling boxes here, these thermocol cooling boxes of different sizes. So in case you're buying fish or meat and traveling a long distance, you can buy these. They are affordable too, not very expensive. There are also the other kind of cooling boxes. Near the same section, you can see some cleaning items, buckets, storage containers, and many other things. So this was all I got to capture, hoping it will be helpful. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for all your support up to now. Take care and see you in my next video.